Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to create a new project in Canva. Now why this is important and why you need to pay attention and watch this video till the very end, because learning how to create a project in Canva is something really essential for you to start to really step towards your editing skills, really step forward, really learn something. It's something just for beginners, but it's super important to learn because otherwise you will not be able to edit in CapCut. So here, when you open a new project, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this create a new project and other things here, your recent projects. But to start a new project, to create a new project, you're gonna have to click on create. Something here that's important to mention here is that you also have okay, and now you can also go back. If you see here menu, and you can go back to home page and you can start a project from there as well. So I can click on back to home page, and now we are back to home page. We can see here recent projects. This is the project we actually opened right now, we created it right now, and here we can create another project. And that's basically how to create a project in CapCut. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.